Hi, this is Vineet David, Assistant Professor from SNS Institutions, B-Spine. So today, we are going to talk about the topic called Transformation Strategic Business Decisions in Big Data. So using big data. So in an era where every click, swipes, and sensor contributes in a digital footprint. So data is not just a byproduct, it is a new currency of strategic advantage. The global big data market is projected to exceed 2.274 billion by 2025. This is more than a trend. So it is a fundamental shift in how organization makes decisions, compete and innovate with them. So let us jump into the topic. So understanding big data. To harness big data, we first need to understand what makes it big. It is commonly defined by three V's, and it is volume, velocity, and variety. So, volume is the sheer scale of data, velocity, the speed which it generated, and variety is the diversity of format and sources. So, every day we generate 2.5 quintillion bytes of data. That's uh, 1 followed by 18 zeros. So every more stringings, 90 percentage of world's data has been created in just the last 2 years. So that is not just growth, it is an exponential acceleration. So in this content, the data isn't just information, it is a strategic asset for us. So, big data and decision making. So, big data is no longer confined to an IT department, it is now central to strategic planning also. So, nearly half of all companies are utilizing data to guide high level decisions. So predictive analysis and real-time data which they use for it. So predictive analysis increases decision accuracy by up to 60%. Real-time data enables the business to adapt agile, responsive strategies, pivoting not on instincts but on evidence. And mostly big data reduces risk by as much as 35% in critical choices. So it is the difference between guessing and knowing, between reacting and anticipating. So, data driven customer insight. Let us talk about customers because that is where the data really shines. So, big data enables hyper personalizations. Businesses that use it will see in like 5.7x greater engagements. By integrating data across touchpoints, purchase, support interaction, social medias, the company builds a 360-degree customer view. That is what like really we want. With the view, we can predict the behavior with up to 85% accuracy. That translates to smarter targeting, optimize marketing spend, and mostly important, loyal customers. So, operational efficiency optimization. So, big data is also streamlining operations. It drives cost saving of like 10 to 20% by revealing the inefficiency and automating decisions. So, the predictive maintenance minimize equipment failures, reducing downtime by 45% something. So supply chain optimization enhance migraine in inventory turnover and delivery speed. So with the real-time tracking and analytics, business move from firefighting to continuous improvement, a culture where every process is measurable and every um, what is it? Inefficiency is visible right there. So next is competitive intelligence. So the competitive advantage isn't just about being better, it is about being faster and smarter. Big data let us like spot market trends earlier. Before they go mainstream, you can benchmark your performance against industry peers. By analyzing publicly available data and digital signals, you can monitor the competitors in real time. So, in essence, you are not just playing the game, you are seeing the entire board. This is what really makes us to make a business decisions where create strategies into it. I hope you would have got some thoughts and ideas on it. Thank you so much.